Hi, my name is Larry Key, and I will be conducting this video on behalf of myself and my partner Shelby Breeding from Collaboration Group 10 of Miss Belzaire's MANA 3320.460 online class. Today I will be analyzing the position of Wealth Senior Portfolio Manager. This was a position posted on the online job site Indeed.com by BB&T Bank. The particular section of the bank that posted it was BB&T Wealth Group. The required skills and competencies that BB&T was looking for with this position was a bachelor's degree in business or a related field, or equivalent education and related training, 10 years of investment experience, good written and verbal communication skills, and the ability to work on complex projects with minimal supervision. Some more desired attributes from BB&T was a master's degree in business or a graduate degree in a related field. This Chartered Financial Analysts or CFA certification is highly desired in that field, and once again 10 years of investment management experience. A little bit of background information regarding BB&T is, we'll refer to the board here. They were established in the late 1800s. They're a very old corporation. They're a bank that offers endless investment vehicles and financial services. They are one of the largest financial holding companies with $221.2 billion in assets under management and market capitalization of $36.7 billion. Additionally, they are a Fortune 500 company. Now let's discuss what exactly a portfolio manager is and what does a portfolio manager do. Some key responsibilities of a portfolio manager is simply investing a mutual, exchange traded, or closed-ended fund's assets. They're doing this on behalf of the clients that have invested in the portfolio or fund, or for the institution that they work for. The money belongs to the institution. They're responsible for originating and implementing the investment structure. They come up with the different allocations for the portfolio and the different securities they're going to invest in within that portfolio. They make those decisions and implement those strategies. Additionally, they monitor the day-to-day trading activities occurring within the fund. So there's sometimes thousands and thousands of trades occurring in a fund within a week, a month, a year. It all depends on what their goal is. Are they actively managing? Are they passively managing? What's their style? Are they trying to grow wealth or preserve wealth? Essential skills for the portfolio management position are to be able to be able to come up with original investment ideas. There are going to be thousands and thousands of portfolio managers out there with thousands and thousands of different funds, and at the end of the day, how are you going to separate yourself from the competition? You have to come up with a different allocation, a different model, and compete positively and consistently generate income and revenue from those assets that you're managing and trading with. You have to be able to conduct great research. Research is essential when it comes to trading and buying and selling securities. You've got to be able to look at, research these investment vehicles, these stocks, the funds that you could be investing in or buying in, sub-accounts, be able to look at those, break down the financial statements, and really see, is this something I want to buy into? You also have to be competent and act on these ideas that you've decided on. You're gonna be managing hundreds of millions, sometimes billions of dollars, depending on what funds you're managing and where you work. And it can be pretty high pressure to make these decisions with other people's money, and when that much money is involved, you've got to be confident enough in your ability to make these decisions. General qualifications for the position is a bachelor's degree in business or a math related field. Employers are liking mathematics more and more in the portfolio management, finance industry. An MBA is extremely helpful, not absolutely essential, but employers really like to see it, and it will obviously help advance your career quite a bit. Once again, the Chartered Financial Analyst certification is very highly regarded in this field. Employers really like to see this, and you can attain this by applying for the CFA program through the CFA Institute and completing all 3 levels of the exam. To become a portfolio manager, you don't really go straight into it right out of college. You typically have to work your way up. Sometimes about 10 years of experience in investment analysis or trading is a good amount of time to maybe be able to work your way up to a portfolio manager. So no companies are really going to hire college kids straight out of school to manage billions of dollars when they have really no experience. Sometimes, depending on the company and maybe the situation that you're put in, you'll be required to have a Series 6, Series 7, Series 63, Series 65, or Series 66 license. You may be required to have a combination of these or maybe just a 7. It just depends on the position you're put in and how that company is operating at that given time. These are licenses attained through FINRA, or the Financial Industry Regulatory Authority. This concludes my job analysis for the portfolio manager, and thank you for your time.